Hi, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida, showing you a brand new 2021 Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard. This is a beautiful Horizon hull, white Mercury 300 outboard, and a black water sports tower. Let's step aboard and show you all these options. Sea deck on the swim platform. Beautiful sun lounger with cup holders in the transom. And as we walk in, a step down to a sunken cockpit. Tons of seating. Look at the opposing seating, table bases, cup holders everywhere you need them. And then if we look up, new for 2021, they extended the shade. We got a nice big Bimini shade on top of this arch. There's a cooler under that couch. Nice big upgraded option here on a 12-inch Simrad screen. The Fusion stereo system with a 1600 watt amp and a subwoofer under the port side seat. You also see that on the flooring, we got that snap-in gray sea deck flooring. This feels very comfortable on your feet. Vacuum flush toilet. This boat's got a lot of upgrades. Again, give me a call. It's Justin at MarineMax Pompano, and we can order you a boat just like this. This is getting ready to get delivered to a customer. 954-633-2070. You're looking at a 2021 Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard.